Winning the buy box on Amazon FBA is crucial for increasing sales, as it allows your product to be the default purchase option. Here's how to improve your chances. Competitive pricing. Ensure your product price, including shipping, is competitive. Regularly monitor competitors and adjust prices as needed. Maintain high seller metrics. Keep a high seller rating by providing excellent customer service, maintaining a low order defect rate, and ensuring timely shipping. Aim for a high feedback score. Use fulfillment by Amazon. Using FBA can improve your chances since Amazon favors sellers who use its fulfillment services, offering prime eligibility and faster shipping. Optimize inventory levels. Avoid stockouts by maintaining sufficient inventory levels. Use inventory management tools to predict demand and restock accordingly. Ensure product listings are accurate and complete. Create detailed, accurate product descriptions with high-quality images. Ensure all product information, including keywords, is optimized for search. Offer competitive shipping options. Provide fast and reliable shipping. Using FBA ensures that your products benefit from Amazon's efficient shipping network. Engage in advertising. Use Amazon-sponsored products to increase visibility and drive more traffic to your listings, potentially boosting sales and improving buy box eligibility. Monitor and adjust strategies. Regularly review your performance metrics and competitor actions. Use Amazon's tools and third-party software to track buy box status and adjust strategies as needed.